Alrighty. See what we've got now, eh? Voila. What do you think? Starting to get there. Got to cut the corners off. Up there. Down there. Get to the right off there. Make it look like it's once you know. Yeah, I'm gonna just keeping it warm in the garage. It's winter in New Zealand at the moment, but got to put those backsplashes up there. Cut those corners out. I don't know whether I should or not. I've been looking at that. I'm thinking, but I had to give you a quick look. A mate of mine gave me these cushions. Bloody wrapped. They are awesome. Yeah, not sure if they'll stay there, but I love them. So, see what happens. Okay. Thanks, Stanley. Bloody cool, bro. Thanks very much. Alrighty. He's actually building his own house bus, so building it into a home. But yep, okay. Better leave you to it. Thank you. See you.